back to Christmas in July 2026. This is day 6. We are in the middle of a heat wave like most of the United States right now. I'm dying. I don't usually go sleeveless, but the arms are flapping in the breeze if there were a breeze, which there is not a breeze. I would welcome a breeze at this point. It is so hot here. So forgive me. I got my hair up. I don't have anything cute on. It's just the way it's going to have to be today because I'm dying. And before we get started, my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to talk about Christmas lists or holiday lists or lists in general and all those items we want to make for the holidays. We managed to get 2 wonderful projects, the pillowcases and the foldable coasters, done. So we're already getting a little bit of a head start and kind of got that out of our system. At least I feel like I got it out of my system. I really wanted to get things done right away so you guys could have something to make while you're listening to me and all that good stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed those projects and are making them like crazy. So let's talk about holiday lists. And I'm saying holiday list, but I mean any list, but really it's from here until the end of the year, what you need to get done. So my assignment for you today, if you want to, you don't have to, is to just take a scrap piece of paper. It doesn't have to be in a notebook or online or anything. However you organize your stuff best, and write down everyone, just your dream list of everyone you'd like to make something for. And this could be anybody. It could be neighbors that you want to maybe make. You always dream of making coasters or placemats or something and delivering them with cookies, or coworkers or friends. Maybe you're interested in giving any of the police department or fire department or anything like that gifts, anything at all. Just this is your dream list. And when you're writing it down, make sure you leave space beside it to write down what you're thinking for the item. And honestly, it's just about dreaming. If you could have all the time, remember the time? Time in the world to get everything done, what would you do? Now make sure you include yourself on this list because there might be things that you want for your own home or quilts that you want to make or projects you want to make. Also, I know there's many of you who are doing craft fairs. You want to write that down too, although I'm sure you already have a list going on what you need to make, but still, anything at all. Next, take that list and beside each item or name or whatever group, write down what you want to make. Just again, dream, sky's the limit. If you had all the time in the world, what would you make? Now, while you're doing this activity, I want you to keep in mind that not everyone loves homemade gifts. I know, it's crazy, isn't it? But it's true. So keep that in mind too, and cross off anybody you think that's just not going to appreciate a homemade gift. Because why are we spending the time to do it, right? We can just get them something else. And that's okay. That's just, we're all different, right? Some people really like that and some people don't. Now that you've done that, I want you to indicate somehow, whether it's putting a star or circling it with a colored pen or whatever, indicate the bigger items and the smaller items somehow. Because the bigger items are going to take a whole lot more time, and the smaller items, like these, you can probably bang out pretty quickly. At this point, look at everything and make some priorities. You know how much time you have. What is the biggest thing that you need to get done? Or what are the priorities that you really, 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 really want to get done? And rank everything according to that. What could maybe not happen this year? What could you maybe buy something that's homemade instead of making it, which we're going to talk about in a future video, or just look at it really with a clear mind. Now's the time to do that because we all want to make everybody a quilt, and that's our dream, right? But it's just not possible. Another thing I like to do is prioritize family first. If there's somebody in the family really wants you to make something, like say your granddaughter wants a quilt and has been begging you for one for a long time, that absolutely goes to a higher priority than say the mailman that you want to make a quilt for. Just saying, even though you might really love your mailman, this is just important to think about. Once you have all of this done, it's going to give you, hopefully, a clearer eye on what you want to make, what you can make, what you have the time to make, and it just gives you a whole scope of where to go from here. And it's one of those activities that nobody really wants to do because you don't want to think about it, you just want to sew. I know, I just want to sew, even in this heat. But it's so important to have a plan going forward so you can keep referring back. Now at this point also you could write this up neater. If you want to, put it in a notebook or on I don't know, a spreadsheet if you're one of those crazy people that like spreadsheets like my husband, and you somehow, anyway, organize it so you have it, so you can refer back to it. And as the months progress, or let's say as the weeks progress, you can adjust accordingly. Say something comes up and you can't make something, that's going to get crossed off the list. And it's really going to narrow it down to what you really, really want to make, if it's craft fairs need to make, and give you a better, clearer picture of the whole experience. I hope this helps you moving forward. As we continue with this series, you'll see other projects. I have a whole bunch planned, and you can even jot down what item you really want to make for a certain person, and this just gives you a good roadmap moving forward. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.